interact with the world. So, let's dive straight into the list. Number 15. Advanced nuclear and fusion technologies. For decades, nuclear fusion was considered the ultimate clean energy challenge. Fusion works by fusing lightweight atoms like hydrogen to release massive amounts of energy, the same process that powers the sun. Unlike today's nuclear reactors, it produces little long-lived waste and no carbon emissions. In 2025, experiments are breaking records. In France, a reactor held plasma stable for more than 22 minutes, and China's artificial sun projects are hitting their own milestones. Private companies are also raising billions to scale the technology. If fusion becomes practical, it could power entire cities with virtually limitless clean energy. Number 14. Next-gen batteries and structural battery composites. Batteries are the backbone of modern tech, but current ones are heavy, slow to charge, and sometimes risky. So now solid-state batteries are the next step. Toyota announced plans to launch vehicles with solid-state cells before 2030, promising ranges over 700 miles and charging in 10 minutes. Samsung and Quantum Cape are running large-scale trials too. On top of that, researchers are testing structural batteries where the car frame itself stores energy. A prototype at Chalmers University showed a battery 20% lighter than today's packs. If scaled, this means phones that last days, and cars, or planes that store power in their own bodies. The challenge now is mass production. Number 13. Clean and autonomous transportation. Transportation is being reinvented right in front of us. Electric cars that once struggled with range are now crossing 500 metros on a single charge. Robo taxis are no longer futuristic demos. They're picking up passengers in major cities, while autonomous trucks are clocking millions of miles on highways without human hands on the wheel. And it doesn't stop on the ground. Airlines are flying commercial routes with sustainable fuels, and startups are testing hybrid electric planes that could change regional travel forever. Even drones are stepping in as delivery fleets. Put it all together, and we're watching the entire system of movement become cleaner, smarter, and astonishingly automated. Number 12. Smart cities and